Additive manufacturing is technology turning manufacturing on its head. It's a smarter, faster way to produce, perfect for a small, ultra-efficient Singapore. Additive manufacturing in Singapore is spearheading industries like biomedical, design and building construction, precision engineering, electronics, aerospace and marine offshore, as well as clean technology.
What we're working on is developing new materials, new ways of printing, and designing these materials to suit your body part, and then training the doctors to put them back into your body.
AM can be used to make injection molds with conformal cooling channels, as well as low-volume customized jigs and fixtures.
We have already seen door brackets which has been 3D printed and have been used in the aeroplanes. We will also see fuel nozzles that will be used in the aircraft engines.
So an exciting development is development of hybrid technologies. This is a combination of both additive and subtractive-based technologies, such as milling. Solar panel and wind turbine are some of the emerging applications with AM in the clean technology sector. The water membrane is another very exciting area that's coming through. Additive manufacturing is a huge area of growth for the future, along with robotics and automation. In Budget 2016, the government announced the Industry Transformation Program. Additive manufacturing, automation, sensors, analytics, these will be the enablers.
AM is identified as a disruptive technology. It has the power to impact lives, businesses, and global economy. It is a game changer. The current market size is about 7 billion, and we should see this number triple by the year 2020 to 21 billion.
The AM ecosystem, as we see it, is made out of three main parts. Universities that are training students for working in the 3D industries and do research in corporations that do prototyping work, actual parts, and scale-down model to train people, and individuals that take advantage of the fact that 3D can do small quantity productions.
It's critical selecting the right applications that are technically feasible and economically viable, then having a workforce that is able to collaborate and innovate to create the new applications and solve the challenges.
We want to help companies translate their technologies into viable commercial solutions. We do this by partnerships, seeding capabilities, and skills training to position them well into the next industrial revolution. If you are interested to know more about AM and the new wave that's coming, come talk to us today.